If you are constantly worried about your appearance due to missing teeth, or you are worried about teeth that are giving you problems right now, then allow the Tooth Implant Pros to diagnose the issue and best prescribe the best solution for you. The Tooth Implant Pros only partner with the best implant surgeons. Our implant experts range from seasoned to the younger generation creating their own legacies. If you're seeing this video, it's because the dental implant dentist in your area is a perfect fit to be a Tooth Implant Pro. Becoming a Tooth Implant Pro requires meeting 3 criteria. 1, they need to offer a free consultation. If they do charge, they must take it off the overall price of the implant. The pros will not work with implant dentists who nickel and dime their patients. 2, they need to provide financing options for those who cannot pay the entire sum up front. The pros do not want money to be the reason our customers aren't getting the new teeth they came to us for. 3, they need to perform the entire implant process in one office. We want to make life simple for our customers, everything done in one place. The Tooth Implant Pros network is growing every day. But in order to get your new teeth, you must contact us first. Tooth Implant Pros are waiting to create your picture-perfect smile. So what are you waiting for? Call us now.